Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a few months since my last update or kit build. I am starting off the new year here with some 148 scale vehicles, specifically World War II vehicles. I am running out of shelving space, so I'm going to do some smaller kits to start off. Now, one of the first kit I'm going to do here, in-box review, is this AFV Club 148 scale, kit number AF48 001, Tiger 1 final version, as you see here. I'm just going to walk you through what's in the box. Here you got some pictures of the actual kit, finished, painted. And on the other side shows you some of the decals, the photo etch. Again, a little close up here, details. Now open the box and show you what's inside. This is pretty much the way that it came. I think it's always a good idea to show people how kits come packaged from the manufacturer. I think how they package them kind of gives a little bit of clue about how the manufacturer thinks about their kits. You know, just attention to details. Good packaging usually indicates probably a good kit. Bad packaging sometimes indicates that's such a good kit. Alright, so this is how the AFV Club comes in. You have the two rubber band style tracks. Let me show you a little close up here. If the camera can pick this up. There you go. Now, I have not done an AFV kit before in this scale, so this will be a first for me. Here we have the instruction booklet. Basically, a strip of the Tiger. It's black and white, color cutouts. And being a 148 scale, you know, there's not that many parts, and it's pretty straightforward. Now, probably not as easy or simple as the Tamiya kit, 148 scale of the Tiger, but that should be a pretty straightforward build. And then you got the different color schemes for this kit. You see there. Now here in the box, already open these bags just to save some time. Here you have the turret. You can see some of the fine details. With the molded in Zimmerit. As you can see there. You got the bottom. Put that off to the side. Here you got the top of the tank. Again, you have the molded on Zimmerit. Nicely molded. Some nice good details. And here you have the bottom of it. Again, molded in Zimmerit. Nice details. And here you have the decals. Let's open this up. A little paper protecting it. Again, you see how they look. So they appear to be very thin. That should be easy to work with and put them over the Zimmerit. Then we have the sprue here, which is basically the gun. Molded in one piece, slide molded. Here you can really see that. That's slide molded. You got, again, the mantle here with the Zimmerit on it. You got the storage bin, hatches. Again, nice detail for 148 kit. Then you have here the road wheels. Sorry, that just fell off over there off the side. Again, nice details. You can see there close up. Spare tracks, tow hooks. Comes with some of the screws, presumably for the wheels, a little photo etch fret for the covers. Let's put it over here. And finally, the last sprue. You got the back, you got the front, you got the molded tow hooks, tools, field tools, and so forth. Hopefully you can see that. All the nice detail that the kit comes with. And inside the box, just some of the other series kits that they have. Anyway, so that's my little short inbox review of this particular kit. So look forward to my building this in the coming year. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day.